Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change order number in Shopify. So simply what we need to do, just follow these simple steps. First of all, we have to understood that in some cases we want to change the order number in Shopify. So in this case what we need to do, just you have to move to the setting option. So you can see on the downside left setting option available, just click here. So here you can see the store details available here, so you can check all the details are available. So what we need to do, just we will move to next step. Just scroll down. So now here you can see add order number. So here you can type the order format. In manual it is 001 or something like that, but you can also change it according to your choice. So type the number or names that you want to appear on your order numbers. So in this way you can simply change order number in Shopify.